flooding for urban areas and small streams in Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 4 a.m. Thursday at 7:58 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated bands of moderate to heavy rain moving into the area from the southwest. Given the already saturated conditions from precipitation earlier today, these bands will produce runoff sufficient enough for small streams to exceed their banks. In addition, rainfall rates will produce urban and poor drainage flooding in the heavy rain bands. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.